Before fitting the LCD and Digitizer, prepare the iPad frame by cleaning it using a Chanley eye scepter to remove the adhesive residue. Then wipe the frame down with IPA. After this, apply Tesa Primer twice to the frame, 5 minutes between coats. After applying both coats, leave it for half an hour before continuing with the next step. Before we get into the repair, if you want to see more videos like this from us, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's also worth noting that all the tools and parts used in this guide are linked in the description below. So we're going to start by connecting the flex for our replacement Digitizer screen onto the logic board. Next, we'll connect the replacement LCD to the logic board and plug the battery flex back in. Now you can close the Digitizer screen and LCD and run a touch test and home button test to make sure everything is working. Once you're happy, you can lift the LCD and Digitizer back up and fit the display cable bracket. The display cable bracket is secured with 3 screws, one 2.7mm screw and two 1.4mm screws. First fit the 2.7mm screw located closest to the bezel, now fit the two 1.4mm screws. Next, fit the LCD heat shield. You'll need to bend it slightly for it to fit into the iPad. You can now secure the Digitizer shield plate with 7 1.8mm screws. 3 are located on the right and 4 are located on the left. Now close the LCD back into the iPad and make sure it's slotted in securely. The LCD is secured with 4 screws. There's 3 3.3mm screws and 1 4.5mm screw located in the top right hand corner. Fit the 3 3.3mm screws first, followed by the 4.5mm screw. If you're fitting a new LCD, attach a film removal sticker to the LCD film. This will allow you to remove the protective sheet before fitting. To avoid dust when fitting, prepare the Digitizer screen by wiping down the LCD and back of the Digitizer screen with a cloth and some IPA. Once you're happy the LCD and Digitizer are clean, you can remove the Tesa tape on the Digitizer. Once the Tesa tape has been removed, you can peel the protective sheet from the LCD and Digitizer. For the final step, close the Digitizer onto the LCD. It's very, very important that you use a spudger to bend the flex of the digitizer into an S shape before pressing it into place. This will prevent the flex getting damaged. Once you've created the S shape, slowly slide the bottom of the digitizer into the iPad frame. Now bring the top of the digitizer down and slowly press it into the frame. Now you can press firmly around all of the edges of the digitizer to make sure the Tesa tape engages with the frame. As you can see, after fitting, there is no markings on the digitizer.